Welcome to Leash Today. So if you guys are interested in how to make a personalized compact mirror that looks like this, then stay tuned. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to set your mirror in the orientation that you like onto your honeycomb. And then you're going to place your laser over it. And then you're going to hit distance. And then I'm going to clean it off because it looks like I got a little bit of smudges on it. So let me do that real quick. So I'm just grabbing, let's see. So I just grabbed some alcohol and I put it on this here little washcloth. Oh, let me take this off. And then hopefully that cleaned it up good enough. And I'll put that sensor thing back on, but I already did the distance, so it should be okay. Okay, so then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to do the marking of the area. Inside of Xtool Creative Space, you're going to hit Start Marking. You're going to do Rectangle, Start Marking. Then you're going to measure from one side. So I'm going to measure the top left. Actually, I'm going to redo it because it looks like this isn't centered. So I'm just going to make sure this is centered first. Okay. And then I'm going to do the bottom right. So this is what it looks like once you're done marking. You're going to hit End Marking. Then it's going to show you the area of where that mirror is that you just marked on the canvas. Then you're going to insert your image. And then you size it down so that it will fit inside of the area that you just marked. Okay. You want to change your material over here to stainless steel dog tag, and then you can just keep those settings and then see how that works for you. If that doesn't work, you can then do like a little test array to find out specifically what settings will work best for the material that you're using. And then from here, I'm just going to put in the text. I'm going to set it to engrave. And then for the typeface, this means just the font. So you can change this to whatever you think looks nice. And to me, that looks good. And then also too, for your image, if you want to change this, so like I say, if you want to try like these different type of bitmaps, then you can do that. So like if I put it on Jarvis and I do process, you'll see how it will look. And if you like how that looks, then you can just hit start and make sure you close your lid. So you hit start. I'm going to turn on my fan. And I'm going to hit start. this setting, it looks like it might be maybe a little too high because you can see like I don't know if you guys can see it as it's going. It seems like it kind of has a little bit of some marking that's happening here. So we'll see how it looks when it's done. But right now we're on 44 seconds. So I'll let you know how much time it takes to do this, and then we'll look at it to see if how these settings work out. So it took about 3 minutes and 11 seconds. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So it looks like it might need to be cleaned. I don't know if you guys can see the particles on it, because that's why I thought it might have been like burning or something, but it looks like it's just dust. So let's see about cleaning this off with like a magic eraser. All right, so I cleaned it off with a magic eraser and it looks beautiful. So you guys take a look at that. So it looks beautiful. It's the end product. All right, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Take care.